Welcome again, everyone.
Živijo spet vsem skupaj.
This week we're talking about the spirit of victory.
Ta teden govorimo o duhu zmage
And we know the Lord wants us to keep the spirit of faith.
in vemo, da si Bog želi, da ohranimo duha vere.
Don't let the things of this world wear you down.
Ne dovolite, da vas problemi tega sveta zadušijo.
Keep your faith in God
Ohranite vero v Boga.
and shake off oppression.
Iznebite se zatiranja.
In the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 5,
V knjigi Jozetova, poglavje 1, vers 5,
the Lord said to Joshua,
je Gospod rekel Jozetu,
As I was with Moses, I will be with you. No one will be able to stand against you. I will not fail you nor abandon you.
Nihče si ti ne bo mogel ustaviti vse dni tvojega življenja. Kakor sem bil z Mojzesom, bom tudi s teboj. Ne bom te pozabil, ne bom te zapustil.
God says, I will not fail you.
Bog pravi, ne bom izpodletela s teboj.
No matter what comes against you, God is going to help you succeed.
Ne glede, kdo je proti tebi, kaj je proti tebi, Bog ti bo pomagal in boš uspel.
And He will never abandon you.
In nikoli te ne bo zapustil.
He will always be with you.
Vedno je s teboj.
He will never leave you alone.
Nikoli te ne bo pustil samem.
That's good news.
To je dobra novica.
The Lord will never fail us.
Bog nas ne bo nikoli razočaral.
Now in Isaiah 41 verse 10,
V Izaiji 41, vers 10,
it says, Fear not, for I am with you.
ne boj se, saj sem s teboj.
Be not dismayed, for I am your God.
Nikar se plaho ne oziraj,
I
saj
will-
sem jaz tvoj Bog.
I will strengthen you.
Okrepil te bom
Yes, I will help you.
in ti pomagal.
I will uphold you with my righteous right hand.
Podpiral te bom z desnico svoje pravičnosti.
Only be strong and very courageous,
Samo bodi močen in zelo pogumen,
because the Lord is with us.
ker je Bog z nami.
His strong arm holds us up.
Njegova trdnjava nas brani.
Those are exciting words.
To so vesele, zanimive stvari.
We can trust the Lord no matter what is happening around us.
Mi moramo zaupati v Boga, ne glede kaj se dogaja okoli nas.
All right, see you later.
Živijo, pa.